Grade 4. This is Teacher Mark. Our lesson for today is all about water cycle. Water cycle has two main components, evaporation, condensation, and its importance. So water, it is cover about three-fourths of the earth. 97 of that three-fourths is salt water and 3% is fresh water. So found in glacier, ice cap, groundwater, river, lakes, and stream. So the fresh water, we could find it there. And what is water cycle? Water cycle is also called hydrologic cycle. So this is the glaciers, the rivers and lake, and these are the groundwater. So water cycle. So these are uh, the cycle or the chart that we're using when we are in tackling about the condensation or uh, the pace of matter, okay, and change in matter also. We know about the evaporation, condensation, precipitation, but I already discussed this, but I think we need to refresh. Okay, next, evaporation. So when liquid change into gas, the heat of the sun turns surface water into water vapor or gas. Three factors affect the evaporation of water. Surface area. A larger surface area causes more evaporation to take place. Temperature, evaporation rate increase when there is more heat. Movement of air. A good example when our clothes dry faster because air movement makes evaporation faster. So these are the evaporation. As you may, if you still remember when we tackling heat, the heat came from the sun. That's what you call heat evaporation. Okay. Next, condensation. When water vaporizes to the sky, it's get cooled and turns back into liquid and forms of clouds. So when a gas is changed into liquid, when a water droplets in the clouds become bigger and heavier, they can no longer float and fall back to the earth as rain. So precipitation, rain, snow, and hail are the example of precipitation. Snow and hail are solid form of precipitation. So we all know that rain is a liquid form while snow and hail are solid form of the precipitation. So condensation and precipitation. So these are the condensation, as you may see the picture. If the clouds has heavier, then therefore it will form a precipitation. And then this is an example of precipitation. So this is a I think this is snow and this is a hailstorm. As you may see, biggest the difference between the snow and the hailstorm, its volume. For example, the snow is just a small amount, and while the hailstorm is has a bigger volume than the snow. So importance of water cycles. So it distributes water to humans, plants, and animals. It's used for bodily process like breathing, temperature regulation, food digestion. Plant especially utilize water to extract nutrients from minerals in the soil. Poultry and dairy products, that is dairy, sorry for that. Okay, it transports minerals and purifies water. It is also essential in the maintenance of most life of the ecosystem on Earth. Water cycle is also called the hydrologic cycle. It involves evaporation, condensation, precipitation. The water cycle is important since it affects weather and climate distribute and replenish Earth's surface with the fresh water, reshape geological features, maintain life and ecosystem in the planet. And that's it for all. Hope you learned from Teacher Mark.